Another day and another adventure as we cross over Lionsgate Bridge to North Vancouver to visit the Capilano suspension bridge and its exhilarating tree and cliff walks. First Nation artefacts and history are displayed here as we make our way to the suspension bridge. It stretches 130 metres across the gorge.
Wibbly wobbly.
And is 70 metres above the river Capilano, way below. It was apparently the longest suspension bridge in the world. The original bridge was made of hemp and cedar planks.
Go on, skip and hop then.
But that's been replaced, thankfully, with steel cables. And probably stronger planks too. We're here mid-morning and it's not too busy at the moment. It does tend to sway as you proceed along, and of course you are dissuaded to enhance that feature.
Enjoying this? How's your breakfast going?
Next and above is the Treetops Walk.
Let's go.
Taking you some 30 metres up into the trees. There are 7 suspension bridges up in the trees, linked between platforms fixed to Douglas fir trees, which are at least 250 years old. The Douglas firs up here, to state the obvious, are mightily tall.
Redwoods and cedar.
So, this is Grandma Capilano, and at 76 metres high, she's the tallest in the forest, and at over 1,300 years of age, she's the oldest too. It's a rare banana slug. Some trees are at the end of their lives, but most, fortunately, are thriving. Towards the end of the Treetops Walk, we pass under the suspension bridge. Time for a snack and a coffee, and I've got my eye on those otter balls, with maple syrup, of course. Yum! What looks to be a Douglas squirrel is eyeing up this lady's lunch. Well practiced, an opportunist thief. At least it didn't get our otter balls. Back across the suspension bridge, we're heading for the cliff walk experience.
I feel like I'm drunk.
I am. It's not bad. It's a walk in the park, ladies.
Walk in the park, isn't
Yeah.
it?
Right.
The cliff walk was opened in 2011.
This is
You ready? Shall I go first?
And there's a walkway that's bolted to the cliff face and dramatically hangs out over the gorge.
See how it's bolted to the cliff face. Hopefully.
Fortunately, we don't have a fear of heights. It's certainly a great piece of engineering.
A little more extensive than I thought, actually. It's good.
It's more scary movie.
You say more or less?
Well, it's more dramatic, I think, than the bridge.
Yeah. Oh, it doesn't wobble. Unless you jump up and down on it. Maybe not. I see you've made it this far then, guys.
We did, yes.
Brilliant.
This is easy compared with the suspension bridge.
Some of us are from Yorkshire.
Yeah, it doesn't rock so much, does it?
I stand looking down long enough. Do you think it'll kill my field heights?
It might, or it might make it worse. Oh wow, this is the one. This is the baby. I hope they got this nicely cantilevered. Here he comes.
Have you ever seen a man scared? Because this is him.
Like your fears.
Yeah. You can do it. If you're being cute or something.
Do it when you're being cute.
Nigel Harper?
Yeah. Wow, that's quite something, that platform, isn't it?
You would.
Waterfall.
Finally, we step into an area that informs and demonstrates Capilano's ecosystem in its temperate rainforest.
No. 15 years of erosion. 25 years of erosion. Finally, 50 years of erosion. The life of the salmon in reverse. Yeah.
Before leaving, we cross over the bridge one more time.
Coach party or something, isn't it? That's when it makes it
Yeah,
easier.
that's right, yeah. Woo.
Yes, to avoid crowds, go early, and midweek, outside school holidays, is a good idea. But anyway, it's a great day out.